Hey everyone, buckle up because we've got some exciting news from Mobile World Congress 2024. Today, we're diving into the unveiling of the Nubia Neo 2 5G gaming smartphone, a device that's causing quite a stir in the tech world, with its innovative features and incredibly affordable price tag of just $199. At Mobile World Congress 2024, ZTE made waves with its array of innovative devices, showcasing a commitment to pushing boundaries in the tech world. Among the lineup, the Nubia Neo 2 5G emerged as a standout, particularly appealing to gamers seeking top-notch features without the premium price tag. The Nubia Neo 2 5G smartphone boasts impressive specifications tailored for immersive gaming experiences. Its 6.72-inch display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and a high refresh rate of 120 Hz ensures sharp visuals and smooth gameplay. Complementing the visual experience, the device features stereo speakers and DTS:X Ultra audio technology for immersive soundscapes. Developed for extended gaming sessions, the Neo 2 5G is equipped with a sizable 6000 mAh battery, coupled with 33-watt fast charging support, ensuring uninterrupted gameplay without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the inclusion of dual gaming shoulder triggers enhances control, offering gamers customizable options to suit their preferences and play styles. While specific details about the processor remain undisclosed, ZTE promises robust performance with a 2.7 GHz CPU. Storage options include up to 256 gigs, augmented by a unique 20 gigs dynamic RAM feature, aimed at optimizing performance during gaming sessions. Remarkably, ZTE plans to offer this feature-packed device at a starting price of $199, significantly undercutting many competitors in the market, thus making it an enticing option for budget-conscious gamers. Although certain features such as the display type, processor specifics, and camera details are yet to be unveiled, ZTE's track record of delivering quality products instills confidence that the Nubia Neo 2 5G will offer a well-rounded gaming experience. Drawing parallels with its predecessor, the Nubia Neo 5G, which featured a Full HD Plus ISP LCD panel and a Unisoc T820, expectations are high for the Neo 2's camera capabilities. The Neo 5G boasted a dual camera setup on the back, comprising a primary 50-megapixel sensor alongside a 2-megapixel auxiliary sensor, while the front camera featured an 8-megapixel sensor. As anticipation builds for the Nubia Neo 2 5G's official release, tech enthusiasts eagerly await further details to emerge, confident that ZTE's latest offering will deliver on its promise of providing exceptional gaming performance at an affordable price point. We want to express our sincere gratitude for taking the time to watch this video. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of our community. As we continue on this journey of creating and sharing content, we pray for abundant blessings in all your endeavors. May God bless you richly in every aspect of your life. We're excited about the future and can't wait to bring you more exciting content. So, stay tuned for more videos coming your way.